guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I want to talk to you guys about something pretty cool that I would like to share with you guys. I love giving you guys tips and stuff that I find, stuff that I think is really cool and neat, and as well as my phone themes. I know a lot of you guys love my phone themes, which I have one phone theme coming up very soon, and I've been kind of trying to find phone themes that are free, lots of cute wallpapers that are free as well. So I hear you guys. I would like to tell you guys about another free thing that I know you guys will like as well, and that is Pinch Me. The website called pinchme.com. Samples are released every Tuesday, usually the second Tuesday of the month, and all you have to do is claim your free samples. Sample Tuesday is actually coming up on the 9th. I definitely recommend that you guys sign up now and get started so you'll be able to catch these samples coming up on Tuesday. I will leave a link down in the description bar for you guys, and it's completely free to sign up and completely free to get these samples, which is so great. And honestly, there's so many things that you could get, from like beauty products, food, snacks, and just a lot. I will show you guys a little overview of an idea. Like, you can discover many brands and different products that you never even heard of, like this one. This is a native deodorant, and it's like something I've never... Ooh, it smells like coconuts and like summertime, and pretty much this is a coconut and vanilla deodorant. So this is like a really nice travel size, definitely minis. That's another plus, that you guys get free samples that could be something beauty product or hygiene product, and you could definitely just like be testing it out, trying it out, like on the go, traveling, whatever, and that's really awesome. Another thing is, I see here we have the Drunk Elephant. This is a SPF 30 Protect and Preserve. This is like a really nice sunscreen. I've always heard of Drunk Elephant and the amazing things, and this is so cool that it's in my box, and I could definitely try this out and test it, and even buy the full size if I end up loving it. I also see some chocolates, weakness of mine, this little Keurig coffee, as well as this peanut butter. Things like this you could just try out and test. More beauty hygiene, we have this clay mask, which I love masks, so I'm super excited to try this out. We have this for the days for
wear heels to like the party, and we need some cushion, I assume.
Have disinfecting wipes from Clorox to try out. I have some daily peels, smooth radiant skin in 2 minutes. Multivitamins, how neat is this? And this is a full bottle. Sometimes you will get like a full size like this. A body oil, and it's coconut as well, so that's really nice. Oh my goodness, this is exciting. This is a cookie square baked in France. Look at this. This is I love this. I have never heard of this, and I'm so excited to try this out and see how it tastes. And all these products are free for you. All you have to do is leave a feedback when requested on how like it went and how you liked it for like this exciting cookie chocolate square. I'll definitely review it after my taste buds have a little taste of this. It's that easy. It's definitely super fun for me. I will once again leave the link down below, and you guys could get free samples as well. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for these videos coming up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!